Continue on this road for 63 miles.
Follow the highway.
Bossy britches. So today was a little, the weather shifted a little bit. Winds picked up some, so it's, yeah, it is some. You can feel Charlotte getting hit.
There's a high wind advisory on the 70 this morning, so it's, yay, lots of fun.
Yeah, we're getting pushed around a bit, so.
We're having lots of people in little cars and little trucks thinking that they're more important, so they get in our way and make this interesting.
Yeah, without turning turn signals on. That's my number one pet peeve. It's not a suggestion. There's a reason why they're there. That's why it's also at fingertip reach, so you can just quickly do it. Yeah, so we're just making our way, getting out of the city area, get back on some country roads so it can be a little more or less daunting. But good morning, everybody. We are working our way to get out of Kansas and get into Illinois. Well, actually, first have to hit Missouri. Yeah, we'll be in Missouri tonight, and then we move into Illinois, where we're going to meet up some friends of ours that we haven't seen in over 9 years, and spend some time with them, and then we'll head off going into Kentucky and West Virginia and all that great stuff as we start making way to our new duty station.
At the darkness, old remote took us. He began to speak. He said, son, I made a life out of reading people's faces, knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you...
Okay, so starting, I don't know, but we are 75 miles out from our next destination. And it's been a drive. Oh my goodness, it's been a drive. So let's see. Almost got hit by a semi that decided he was going to drive like a butt. And I wanted to catch it on camera, but my battery failed. So it seems like one of my batteries is bad. And so we're going to just have to figure out which one it was and chuck it. Daddy's been doing great on the drive so far. Dealing with a lot of crazy people, not using turn signals. Again, number one pet peeve on drivers is no turn signals. What about you, babe? How you feeling? The world wants to know.
I just got
Good morning, crazy people. Crazy people. He's nutsoid.
Is that kind of like a Metroid?
I don't know.
Because Metroid, that was a chick.
How about meteoroids?
Hemorrhoids, what?
I don't know, but we're up, and we gotta get up. We got some peoples to meet in a little town known as Martinsville, Illinois, and in Missouri. And we made it to, what is this place called?
Can-Do Campground.
Yes, and it has some.
We live on Bullfrog Lane.
Yes, we're on Bullfrog Lane from Ribbit Road. It's got some interesting names. But we're gonna quickly change over and pack up. We didn't really unpack. We just hooked up power and took out the essentials and ate dinner and went to bed. Good morning. Are you flush?
No. There's a couple more flies running around here that I gotta go zippy zap. Zippy zap. Zippy zap.
Today we are here at 21 Guns Campground in Martinsville, Illinois. And tonight is bonfire night.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh, poor baby's having allergies. We haven't been to the Midwest where there's actually greenery in a long time.
Holland.
Fun stuff.
No, not really, but.
Well, he needs to take a Claritin. So, it's chilly but not freezing. It's comfortable. The only thing is I couldn't breathe last night because our thermostat was set at 70, which meant our bedroom was...
What was set at 68? And because we have extra heating outlets in our bedroom was like somewhere around like 82 degrees.
And it was hot. So we have to readjust.
Set the thermostat at 65, which made it about a comfortable 70 degrees in here.
Yeah.
But pretty awesome Grand Design. Good job on the thermos.
Yeah.
This is a thermos. The furnace.
Yeah. Good morning. It's a frosty cold morning here in Illinois. I haven't gone out yet because I'm not doing it. Not yet, anyways. Mr. here went out and took the puppies out to go do their bathroom break. And I'm trying to stay warm.
There's literally frozen. The dogs literally laid steamers in the yard because there was steam coming off of them. It's that cold.
Yeah, there's frost all over the place and there's steam rolling off the ponds and it's pretty but cold. Today is our last day here in Illinois before we move on, and so we're just taking care of things as it goes. But I guess I have to make a list of things to do and get done, like cleaning up, doing some maintenance, and then picking up some groceries. I gotta pick up a prescription, and then we close up, pack up, and toot sweet out the door tomorrow morning. So.
And remember, carpenters hammer nails, plumbers fix pipes, Marines kill people.
Okay. He's reading stuff online. All right, we'll talk to you later. I need some coffee.
Yes,
Coffee's
she does.
good. And food. Bye.